Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to go through the setup process. So once you turn on this device for the first time, at first you'll have the possibility to set the language. So let me pick English, tap on next then and tap on OK. Now wait till it's rebooted in this language. And now tap on next. Click on next again. And here you can read terms of usage. So just tap on, for example, Windows Phone terms of usage or privacy statement to read everything. And once you go through it and do agree with everything, just tap on accept. Here you can connect your device to Wi-Fi, so let me pick, for example, this one. I will just provide the password of the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. On done actually. Click on next again. And here you can set up your Wi-Fi setup. I will stay the default one, so I will allow everything and then tap on next. Here you can choose your phone settings. So click on custom, and here you can personalize if you don't want to go with the basic setup. So you can unmark some unnecessary for you features, and once it is set up, tap on next. Here it's time to set time and region. So at first pick your home country, then time zone, date, and time. As you can see, everything can be done manually by yourself. Here, just decide if you want to send your location to Microsoft when your phone is activated, or you can also unmark it and click on next then. Here you can set up some additional features, but let me do it later. Click on next then, and wait a couple more seconds. Actually, tap on next. Click on next again. And that's it. Now you can use your device easily. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.